Mikki and I'm an early intervention assistant at Pediatric Therapy Network. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Play-Doh using a few ingredients from your own kitchen. Let's begin! Hello friends, for our ingredients we have 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1/4 cup of flour. Oh, can't forget our food coloring. For our first step, you're going to take your food coloring and pour 1 or 2 drops into your water. Bloop. Okay, and now you're just going to mix. Perfect. In a separate bowl, you're going to pour your flour, pour your salt, and mix that together. For our last step, we are going to slowly pour in your water. We are going to continue to mix your water with the dry ingredients. Sometimes you may get a little clumpy, but no worries, just add more water. Or, if it's too sticky, add more flour. Continue to mix and knead your dough until you get the right consistency. Ta-da! DIY Play-Doh! Now it's time for some fine motor fun! You will need your Play-Doh, some buttons, and a container with a slit on the top so you can put your buttons through. An example on how to play with Play-Doh is to take some buttons, stick it into the dough, have your child try to retrieve the buttons and put it into the container. This is a fun way to practice and strengthen fine motor skills for your kiddo. Fine motor skills are important for their development because they will help your child with many important tasks, such as holding a pencil, feeding themselves, zipping up jackets, and more. Lastly, put your Play-Doh in a Ziploc bag and store it into the refrigerator. Have fun!